Now we shall see last topic for learning C sharp, which is exception handling. Alright, so in here, exception handling in C sharp is a way to deal with unexpected error in your program without crashing it. Alright, in here we have got key terms. First one is exception. Alright, it is an error that occurs when the program is running. Alright, example, dividing by 0. Alright, then second one that we have got is it is try. Alright, it is the block where you put the code that might cause an error. Alright, next one that we have is catch. The block where you handle the error. Alright, then we have got finally, which is optional. Okay, so this is like a block that always runs whether an exception occurs or not. Alright, and then lastly we have is throw. Alright, it is used to manually create an exception. Alright, now let's try to understand this by example. Okay, try. So what is try? So try is a block where we will put the code that might cause an error. Alright, so let's suppose int number equals to 10. Alright, int result equals to number by 10. Alright, console dot write line result equals to plus result. You need to have now the catch block. Okay, So it is this catch block, and here I am using divide by zero exception. Okay, and then console.writeLine. So now let's try to understand what is happening here. So in your try block, it is the code where an exception might occur. Okay, so it's like when you divide number by 0. Okay, so in that case it is going to throw an error. Okay, so when you throw an error, there is a catch block, which is your divide by 0 exception. It will catch that. Okay, and you will get the output error, you cannot divide by 0. All right, and then finally is your optional keyword which you can use. Okay, console.writeLine, end of the program. All right, so finally block is like this will always run whether an exception occurs or not. All right, now let me run the code and see like what is the output I'm getting. So we can see that we are getting error, you cannot divide by 0. Okay, and final block is like whether an exception occurs or not, this part will be executed. All right.